On today's countdown, we're gonna take a look at the Big Bang Theory. Sheldon, Leonard, and the gang show that scientists, engineers, and nerds can be cool, and today we're counting down our favorite Latino characters on the Big Bang Theory. In the first 11 seasons and 256 episodes, there were 9 memorable roles for Latino or Latina actors. Number 7, the car thief in the Bakersfield Expedition. Number 5 and number 6, the nannies in the Gates Excitation. Number 3 and number 4, the cleaning ladies in the Euclid Alternative. And my favorite characters played by Latino or Hispanic actors in the Big Bang Theory are number 1 and number 2 in the Bat Jar Conjecture, a fan favorite. Spoilers! This episode has a physics bowl where Sheldon takes on his 3 friends in order to see who is smarter. To qualify for the competition, Sheldon recruits 3 non-scientists who work at CalTech. The 3 include a Russian janitor, a Hispanic woman, and a Hispanic man. It turns out that the Russian janitor turns out to be a physicist. But the 2 Hispanic characters are not, because she is busy knitting and he's busy listening to music. And they're the only 2 persons out of 8 competitors who did not answer a question during the physics bowl. On its own, I have to admit it's a funny episode, I'm not being sarcastic. But when you combine this episode with the casting in 256 episodes, why weren't there any Hispanic, Latino, or Native American scientists, technicians, or engineers with dialogue in 256 episodes? What happened? Is this a parallel universe, or is this a big hegemony theory? That's all the time we have for now. Keep watching.